What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and in this video we have a very special package from Flipkart. So this is the Amazfit GTR, the 47mm version that I ordered from Flipkart. I got it for a very good price of around 9,000 rupees. So let's quickly go ahead and do the unboxing. This was a one-day delivery and I'm really happy with the delivery service of Flipkart. So let's quickly rip the box and get access to the Amazfit GTR. So this is the bill that says the price. You can see 9,000 rupees. So this is the actual box itself. It looks very premium, and also we have all the seals intact. So the packaging was not tampered in any form. On the back we have some specifications and the product details and whatnot. And on the front of the box we have some detailed specifications like the AMOLED display, the different kind of sports activity mode we have, the 5 ATM. You can see it says 47mm. So let's quickly cut the seal and get access to the watch itself. Now I'm really excited for this watch, and let's see what all contents we have inside. So it was a bit difficult to remove this. So this is the white box that says Amazfit, very premium kind of packaging and a very premium looking box. So let's remove the top lid and see what all we have inside. So it says move beautifully, and we have the watch itself presented nicely like a baby sitting in the cradle. So let's quickly remove the watch and see what all other accessories we have inside. So the small compartment we have here that contains a user manual. So this is in English as well as Chinese, which is not useful. And the other thing we have is the proprietary charger. So this is the 2-pin charger, a kind of a magnetic charger which you need to charge your watch. So the best part about the watch is that it has a 24 days battery life, and if you use some other cool features which are there in the watch, so that might consume a bit more battery. So this is the sticker, and on the side we have two buttons, and this is the leather strap which is a bit plasticky inside, so you won't feel uncomfortable or much sweaty with this. So the other thing we have here is the Amazfit branding on the belt itself. On the back we have the charging points or the charging terminals, and we have the hook to remove the belt. So this is the strap. This is a user replaceable strap. So this is the watch. It has a 47mm dial, I mean the overall 47mm, and this is the Apple Watch Series 3. So let's quickly do a comparison here. So you can see both of them have a very different profile. So the Apple Watch has a much of a square design, whereas it has a round design. You also have the speaker and the microphone on the Apple Watch, whereas the speaker and the microphone are completely missing from the GTR. So there are tons and tons of watch faces to choose from. This is the Amazfit application that you can download from the Play Store. So on and all, this is a really good watch. If you're looking for a watch which is not expensive, that looks professional and classic on your hand, then definitely you can go for this watch. So once again, this is for 9,000 rupees, made by Amazfit. If you want to get this, the link is in the description below. So this is the 47mm, as I said earlier in the video. You also get a smaller version which is the 42mm, but I was much more comfortable with the 47mm version because it looks pretty good on my wrist. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like the video. Do rate this video up, comment down in the comment section, do subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is Aftab. Have a great day. Peace out.